बंद कीजिए।
अच्छा दारू भी है बोला, उधर से जाइए, उधर से दिखाओ दिखाओ दारू दिखाओ।
कुछ माल है ना क्या?
ये
लेके आया
वैसे
कौन भी कौन है लिया मारो सुन एक बार मारो और
USSP ka Riphoi District VS Rathor menta kasngi ula bateng biang ya ka jingkhin ra ki kali na kabenta ka jingshan ka surok ba khamtam na kabenta ki pajba nongli nongwan ki baju penon kam new surok ba hakani kamir ka jingkhin ra batalasi ya ki kali lawan manedon lang tu Deputy Commissioner ka Riphoi u Abhilash Baranwal u District Transport Officer uba ai Kharmon AR Marak MCS bat kiwe hakani kamiet ki pulik ka Riphoi kila bateng ban khenra na phang yi kali hakaba bun kila lap padang don ki papin khen yi kindon an bat ki bayat ba he haringkat ki siren klem don ki officer lani ki he ki han panakling ki pulik kila law yi siren badan kuna ru yakum ki ni ki bri ki bayale ban shim kabu habakran na kle Deputy Commissioner ka Riphoi ulong bakum ukli du bapet ya ka district udoni ka jingsokya halor ka jingnang bon ki jingja accident haki surok pa ki badai tangna kadaw ka jingbu ai kinonya kali ba ka jingnya klemakor badai halor kani ka benta uloong bo umla shu bansyong hasuki office banshu ngap henry ka plong yu ban mi lang ban pitikna baki surok pa kinong ki pasngan nakliang USSP ka Riphoi ula pente baya kani ka jingkhen rai ki kali lapalong hakaleng ki surok jong ka Riphoi ki pakanthop na do na umyam umsning nongpok bernihat berkiwe ki jaka
लाइट ऑन करो वीआईपी लाइट কাইরেন আপনার আচ্ছা আপনি কি হ্যাঁ পলিউশন কন্ট্রোল অফিসিয়াল আইডি কোন দেখুন অলপ
साइलेंट मारिस ना
সাইরেন্ট মারো শুনে একবার মারো और चलो भैया सब निकालिए
और दो
You take alcohol on the way?
Sir, at morning.
Morning time? Yes.
हाँ सर
उधर देखो रो
Day before yesterday also you guys were here, so there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one time affair, it should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that, our plan was also like that. So today in fact we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. So no one should think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding, because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously, there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway. That is obviously one of the reasons. But mostly, either the driver was under the influence of something, or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people, so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkama, Khanapada, Barnihat, this side Umsning, Umyam, Umroi, same exercise is going on at all the stations. In fact, our Eric, the executive magistrate, he is down there in Umsning. So all the units are on road right now, and this is a strict message. Don't violate the rules, because life is more important than anything else. So that is the whole thing.
Police has been conducting this exercise, and today we thought that the magistrate should also, I mean, from DC office also, we should join hands in ensuring that all the traffic regulations are followed. So, I mean, the ultimate objective is to save lives. So that's why we have the DTO office, which also has joined forces today, and the idea is ultimately to save lives. So what we are observing is that the violations have obviously come down. However, still it's a long way to go. And what made me come down is basically the idea that with all these intensive checkings going on, DC office also felt that as the chairman of the District Road Safety Committee, we should also play our part, and that's why we are here.
Yano nga DC sir donga aro SP sir donga aro district administration aro police ni kita ansang jerangan ya ramauri enga chum gari rang warang jerangan violate ka enga liam rang ko pe mungna jerangan re enga chum ba churunge habi jabi ke mungna ramarang o jerangan oai jake gari sale chum warang ko chunga ni rokna kata ya administration kita ni roknya aro je akode mamung sorok rango asel ongjana kata ba mamung accident ni koborang dongjana kata public rang je akode name ramarang je akode name na mangi chum kita chunga ino ni roknya aro jeba ino ramao degen chum kemukan niam ni kita taken aro je mam tarang ba ino niam ni kosako unja woriman lakan name ramarango gari salchina aro lakan safely ongya tasami je chiri pe chum chi sokang pachina aro kemukan molinga niam nako charchina aro name kami ramatang ko follow kai aro mamang renga chagri ramatang ko salchasina aro especially jerangan light rangko ongai je ke chakhali acham ba high beam light rangko chakhalinga barang kha sapai antang niam ni kita tapachina okay jerangan molani
jongga DTO ngi betas ngi la ya dan lang bagi SP bagi DC mencek igi driver ki bomdan license bati kali ki ba bu ki batait yong ki bomdeng seat belt ki bomdeng helmet ngi la ya cek lu dia kata ngin nang ni sakmat ngin nang cek man la ki ipor but ai kublai kamtam e baro baki la ya trei lang benkat ban cek gini ki violation ba niki kali banyak kali sangat kerja department jongi ngin ai cek man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba lai hi ba menakini kisni bon haki accident kija layap ki bril bon ba yap accident ni nak kata kada ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking jingsang nakaliak ko office ni MVI la shim hi ki driving test tang ba ya kan ni banyak damit ngim jingsang ju le hi ban test ni banyak kali damit no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam ju hikai gitu tang ngi yai ken mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mendai ban pen me ki high beam pornya kali damit nang ba untuk bawan nakawik ka site katabak mat unyi ba bun sin de nakata daw sa jaga accident jingsha ketui ki ba apply license bakin one hi da ladi mendai ban ai pateng anu nang ba ka kanya baik ka kam jongki
te kapor kan no thai kan sim na ki wan hin mar ki slam
MG Shah ya kalana license kan simport at least si banai then hadin si banai de kila anang banyak kila anang ban nadong sedong tengi sa ai license hadin si banai